there. I've been asked by quite a few people now to do a video on how herbs can help uterine fibroids on heavy period, which I forgot to mention. Fibroids, however, can make your period excessively heavy, and longer lasting signs, the fibroid or fibroids, include bleeding for more than 8 days, with more than 2 to 3 days of heavy bleeding at the offset of your period, and having many blood clots in your flow. There are research out there like yarrow has been used since medieval times to treat bleeding wounds. It is a herb traditionally known as a uterine stimulant for treatment of menstrual problem. It is also good to take vitamin C to absorb iron and possibly strengthen blood vessels. You can get vitamin C in all citrus fruits and vegetables as well. For my particular uterine fibroids problem, I use two kinds of herbs. Number one is turmeric, and number two is ginger. Turmeric has been found to heal uterine fibroids through its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to induce cell deaths in the tumor cells in uterine. Several recent studies have shown that digesting ginger during the first few days menstruation can reduce the severity of menstrual cramps. It indicates that ginger possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But today, what I'm going to use in our garden, funny enough, we have turmeric, fresh turmeric. So I'm going to take you, how I'm going to dig the turmeric from our garden, and then take you through how to sort of, use the ingredients and everything else, and I'll take you there. But first, let me tell you what we need, the ingredients we need for what we're going to use today. Okay. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. It could be crushed, or you can buy powdered as well from the shops, but we're going to use fresh one. We're going to crush it in a glass of water once a day for 1 week. As you can see, you can look at my very first video, which I did on how to heal myself to fibroid naturally, and I did it in 1 week. So this is why I'm using 1 week with the herbs. This is what I did. For the ginger, you need 3/4 teaspoon of ginger, or crushed. You can buy, I think you can buy powdered ginger in the shops, but we were using fresh ginger. Or 250 milligram, 3 days before period for 4 days. So I'm going to demonstrate to you what I did. Come with me. I am in the garden now, and I'm going to dig some fresh turmeric, and I'm going to show you. The turmeric is here. Unfortunately, because it's a dry season, we won't have the leaves coming out from it, but it's still good. I'm just going to show you there'll be loads of turmeric underneath here. See you in a minute. Here's the turmeric. I've got some, more than enough for what I'm going to do. Okay. Sorry about the cockerel, we live on the farm. Anyway, so you use 1 teaspoon crushed of turmeric in a glass of water. Use it once a day for 1 week. The ginger, use 3/4 teaspoon of ginger, or crushed, or 250 milligram, 3 days before a period for 4 days. This is what I did, and it really works. So anyway, I'm just going to show you a demonstration, how, what the measurements is, and so you don't have to have fresh turmeric. We didn't have fresh ginger, unfortunately, but you can buy powdered, turmeric, in the shop, and it's the same, get the same effect, and it's just as good. I am going to use this to crush my turmeric, and I use 2 pieces of fresh ones, can you see? And I'm going to crush it, and I'm going to show you. There you are, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to get a glass of water. I'm going to put it into the glass of water. There you are. Stir it. Leave it to settle down for a few minutes so that all the bits and bob goes to the bottom of the glass, and then you just drink it. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I do with the ginger, similar method, and similar. Here's my ginger. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel it, get the skin off. I'm only doing this for people who doesn't know what real ginger looks like, even turmeric for that case, and get all the skin off, and I'll show you what I do next. Here's the crushed ginger. I put it with some water, yeah, but what I did, I didn't drink it raw like that. I boiled it for about 5 minutes first, and then you'll have like a glass of water like that with the ginger in it, and you drink it. And not only is good for for periods and anything like that, it's also good for a lot of things. Ginger, like if you got your circulation is low, ginger is very good. Ginger is really nice. I love ginger. You can actually, in the Caribbean, we do juice with it. Do a drink with lemon and ginger. That's wonderful too. So ginger is good for a lot of things. Okay, thank you for listening to the video. I hope it helps. And anything else you'd like me to do a video on fibro or anything else, please let me know. And also I'd love to hear your comments and how you're getting through with your fibro or anything else on any subject. It'd be nice to hear from you. Thank you for listening to the video. Bye.